Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Poolmate. This is the Hydro 3. This is the Hydro 3S. And so these are two different models by Poolmate. This one will cover about 1,000 square foot small pool. This will cover about 1,600 square foot, like a medium-sized pool, so small to medium-sized pool. Both of them, this one does about 200 minutes of pool cleaning. This one does 200 to 300 minutes depending on the mode that you choose. Both of them have 3 modes, which is nice. Both of them have this easy dual cleaning, dual screen cleaning, so you can actually spray all the way through. So that's really good for just getting a good clean done to your basket. Both of them are rechargeable. So you got to pull them out and recharge them when they are dead. And you can see that they both have a quick on and off switch. They look very, very similar in size and that sort of thing. They're very similar. This Hydro 3 has a different, I'll just show you really quick, which I really like. This one has a twist and it blocks and keeps the water out of your charging port, which you'll see they have this, and you're supposed to use this to blow the air out of there, or blow the water out of there. And then this is where you have your plug for charging, so you can actually just connect it and plug it in, and it'll start charging for you. It also comes with a retrieval hook because it does not come to the surface. It's supposed to come back to the pool edge. When it starts running low on battery, it'll come back to the pool edge. And what I like about this one is when you put it in, it's twist and it sits there. This one, a little bit different. You can see this is the one I've been using. It's got some water coming out of it. This one's got just basically a rubber piece that you're supposed to wedge in there or push into there real tight. So I've noticed with this one that when I use it a lot and things like that, sometimes you get salt, the salt kind of build up on there, and sometimes it won't charge, and you have to clean those out really good. So sometimes I have to clean those little prongs out. Same sort of thing though, same sort but different plug. So you can see that this one is a little bit different than this one. This one's got a split in the middle. This one on top doesn't. So the plugs are a little bit different in size, but you get the same features and that sort of thing. It's just for a medium-sized pool, 1,600 square foot or above. This one's great. And for a smaller pool, the Hydro 3, not the S, the Hydro 3 is the one you want to choose. It also comes in this nice color. So online it shows that it has yellow as well. I got the green, so you can see the green for it. And all you got to do is drop this in, and within the 3 modes, it'll start doing floor only, which is like an eco mode. It'll do floor, walls, in basically your pool line if you want to scrub that really clean. And so all you got to do is drop this in when it's on, and it'll start working. Let me show you. Okay, and the quick price difference between these two. This one is about $520, and that's the Hydro 3S. Again, it's a medium-sized pool, 1,600 square feet roughly. The Hydro 3 is 1,000 square feet. It's about $299, and both are rechargeable, and both basically have the same suction and that sort of thing. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to drop it in, and you'll see it actually start working. After it submerges itself in the water, it'll kick off. I'll put a link in the description below to both of these so that you can take a choice and see which one you like the best or which one works for your situation the most. It's going to be a minute before it sinks. After it fully submerges itself, it'll kick in and it'll upright itself, and should start vacuuming. And when it goes to the wall, it just will continuously work its way down systematically to make sure it covers the entire base of the pool. And that's really it. And then when it's done, it'll return itself to the side of the pool so you can hook it and recharge it. Okay, so that's it. If you're looking for a pool vacuum that is battery powered, they have these 2 options. They also have some corded options too if you wanted something that had, basically you're running a cord to as well, but I like the battery powered ones and that sort of thing. So it has 2 options, one for the smaller pool, which is the Hydro 3, and for a medium-sized pool, the Hydro 3S. They're awesome options. I love that the basket has 2 openings to clean it out completely in it. They charge, and they do about 200 to 300 minutes of actually pool vacuuming in 3 different modes. So it's an excellent option. I'll put a link in the description below to both vacuums. Check them out. And I also like the new color of the Hydro 3 that came out. So I like the green. I don't even see it on their website yet, but the yellow is on the website, so you can check that out as well.